The first step is to set your template for the extruder. There are many different types of extruder, but the principles are the same for each one. Make sure when choosing your centerpiece that you don't overscrew the nuts and bolts, because the pressure when forcing the clay through the machine can sometimes tighten these. Once you are sure that this is put together, you can then fix this into or onto the barrel chamber. Remember to check all of the elements, as once again it's difficult to redo once you have started to extrude. It will take time to assess the correct consistency of clay needed for a successful extrusion, but it should be on the soft side, as once it's passed through the die plate, the form needs to join back together again. If the clay is hard, it will be separate. As you can see, with this example, the clay was nice and soft and is joined together correctly. Once the clay has passed through and created the extrusion, you can then pinch or wire this off. This may sound obvious to many of you, but make sure you have prepared the space to lay your extrusion down. Depending on the consistency of clay, you may need to put some canvas or newspaper down first. This is a thread extruder and again another ratchet one, which do exactly the same jobs as the previous one. As you can see, the ratchet really helps with how much pressure you need to apply. This is an extrusion that will be cut up for glazed textiles.